We are installing a preformed road crossing on behalf of anyone, and we have approached a company called Fastlane to carry out the works for us. Colas have installed the traffic management system, which is a full shutdown of the road, where we've also created a safe working area.
It's an absolutely fantastic example of working together in partnership, doing something that hasn't been done before.
The process of the product going down, we clean the road off to begin with. From that we install a void filler which covers in all the asphalt surface where all the voids are. After that the lads have to let it cure for roughly an hour or so, which allows the product then to be installed on top. The product we're installing on top has come from a company called Swarco. They've produced it, anyone have designed it.
It's called United Together, and it was all about enhancing visibility of the pink triangle in Newcastle to celebrate all things LGBTQ, bringing something that was quite vibrant and visible and unapologetic into the area.
It's been great to see this project coming together, working with the community, working with Colas and the technical team responsible for delivering it. Colas have been fantastic to work with. It hasn't been an easy project. It took a high degree of technical knowledge, and of course you can see the team today installing it in record time.